All right, guys. Good morning and welcome to week 22 of our weekly forecast analysis on GDP USD, Euro USD, and also we're going to be looking at SP500. So, the first thing is to um, uh, the, talk about the pairs that we're looking at, which is first GU. We're going to look at the monthly time frame, and we can see that on the monthly time frame, it appears that this month is going to be bullish and it's going to end bullish, and the market is going to be heading up. So we're looking at the monthly time frame price action. The first thing is let me just remove, actually, let me set this line. I want it to be, let it not show on the monthly and weekly for now. We'll leave it on a daily. All right. Good. So the first thing is to understand what the market is doing at this level price. So we can see that there is price action at this level here. So we see the price has been playing around 128 and 120, between 128, right? The previous month was this. Let's just leave it here first. Between 130 something, that's we have price that got there around 2023 July. Great. So we'll put price there for now. And also we can put price here, where we have this rejection zone here, multiple reaction here too. And also we have this area price action. And then also we have this area of price action on GU. So we can see that this is the area that is so obvious where price has been playing around for the past couple of months. So we're going to look at the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this area is also very important to price. You can see multiple price action at this area. Okay. And also price is here and there. We see this low here on the weekly. This area here with price obviously played around with, and we have price action there as well. So this is the best of the levels that we can see. Now the question is, what is the market doing? Is the market trending? It doesn't look trending to us at the moment. The market is still within the verge of consolidation on the weekly time frame. We're still seeing price playing around this zone for a while, which is okay, but we can tell that with the weekly candle, the market is bullish on the weekly candle, which is great. So now all we need to do is to go to the daily and look at price. Now on the daily, we are very bullish. You can see that the market is very bullish, but we have price playing around this zone. So on the daily, we can literally have price action here. Okay, this is what we see on the daily. Now, for us to trade this market, we need two things. Number one, we want price to either break above this high or stay below. But as it obviously, you can see that is a bullish market. We expect price to break above this high. So what we need to see is a break above this high and a pullback on a lower time frame. We find a pullback on the lower time frame where price pull back to this level, and then we're going to take a buy. Now, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. You see, it is very important to draw your key levels beautifully. As you can see, again, this agree with what we're looking at. This is where price is at. Although the market looks bullish on the daily, on the 4-hour, even on the monthly time frame, we're looking at it that the momentum is strong. It's very bullish. But again, the month is still on. We still have a lot of days. We have not a lot actually. We have about 6 to 7 days for the end of the month. So, looking at this, we see that price is still going to allow us to trade higher if it breaks this high. So what we're looking at on GU right now is we want price to break this high. Until price break that high, we are not trading higher. Now, if you check this, this is equal higher lows. And based on the 4-hour time frame, you can notice that we have this low based on price as a lower high. And price came back to break it, creating even a new high. So we expect price to break above this high for us to take a trade to the upside. Now, at the moment, we have again this low as a major key level. As this is support and this is resistance. So we want price to break above that high for us to continue trading this week. So for those of you in the trading lab, get ready for this. We'll be waiting for price to break that high, and then we're taking it to the upside. So this is my take on GU right now. It's bullish, but it's consolidating right here. So we will expect price to break above that psychological level of 1.27500. If price break above 1.27500, then we'll be targeting 1.28 up to 1.28500, which is this high. But at the moment, this is what we're looking at. So that's my take on GU. Now on Euro USD, which obviously is similar to what we're looking at, let's go to the monthly time frame. Doing the same thing that we just did, as you can see on the monthly time frame, Euro USD has been strongly in consolidation. Euro USD is consolidation for a while now. Excuse me. So while we're looking at this consolidation, we still expect a trade. So I will be actually careful trading this pair. But nevertheless, let's see how we mark our zones on the week, on the monthly. We have this high, as the previous high that the market got to. And we also have this area here of price. Let me zoom out. Okay. And we also have this area here, the lows that the market created. And we have this area here as well, which is fine. Just, looking at price around that area. Okay. Now, of course, we're not coming all the way down here. We're looking at this area, possibly for trade. So we want to go to the weekly time frame to look at the behavior of the price on the weekly. As you can see, it's a very choppy market. It doesn't seem to be looking nice on Euro USD at all. But what we'll do, if it's bullish, which obviously is not showing us clearly whether it's bullish or not, but we want this high to be taken out and price closing above the high. Okay, so on the daily, on the weekly right now, it's still very, very choppy. Okay, we have price action there. All right, weekly we have a price action here as well. So we'll just leave this one to match with that. Not much areas to look at on the weekly. So let's go to the daily and see what we have. On the daily, the market looked bullish. So it's already rising. So I think what we need to see is a break above this high. But if we create this daily structure, which is liquidity here, or daily high here, then what we want to see, create a daily low structure here as well as a market structure. What do you call it? Support and resistance level that we can see that price respected, and also this area here. So now we're looking at this recent move. Now we'll be able to mark out our zone. And what we're looking at now is that price continue to the upside to remain bullish. We want to see price continue to the upside. As you can see on the daily, price is creating higher high here now. Higher lows here. This is a higher low. Okay. Now it's rising up to create a new higher high. So the point we're trying to get at is price break this high. So what we want to see is a new higher high up here. This is on a daily. We want to see price maybe reject here and come down, or price break above and stay above. And then we want to look for trade at that level. But at the moment, it doesn't look so clear on Euro USD. So for now, I will wait for price to either break out of this area or get up here and reject. I need to see rejection from the 4-hour time frame. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame, I need to see that price reject at this level, because we can see the new lower high created here, lower high created here. Okay, so we need to see that price break the structure here, or take out this trend line by liquidity graph and reject there and then come back down. Or if you break that structure, pull back, then we're going to look for opportunity to buy, okay, or to the upside, depending on the behavior here. So I will expect price to rally up, break above this high, pull back, and then we'll continue to the upside. So that's what I want to see on this pair. I want to see this happen. This is my take on Euro USD at the moment. Not much is being done. SP500 on SP500 at the moment on the monthly is still bullish. You can see SP500 is bullish on the monthly, so we're still in the bullish market. So if you go to the weekly time frame, we're looking very bullish. So this is a new high, okay, a new high that the market has created. So we can create our structure there. First of all, let me remove that drawings that you see there. So we want to mark out our zone, okay, on the weekly, because that's the clearest one you can see on the weekly. So if we go to the daily, we can see that all we need to see is a break. This is the most high of the market, the highest high right now on the market. So we need to see price break that level and continue to the upside. But at the moment, this is where price is at. We need to see a break above the buy. So on SP500, want to see a break above, a pullback, and then we'll continue to the upside. We need to be looking at this on the monthly time frame. I mean, on the, what do you call it? Excuse me, on the 4-hour time frame. We need to see this on the 4-hour time frame. But looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, it is obvious that we have a new structure here low. So this is what we see now, the 4-hour. So we need to see that price break above this high or stay below. If we want to sell, we need a new lower low. We need price to break this low, and we'll be looking for sell. But at the moment, it's not stationed for us to look for sell. So we're gonna wait. So this is my take on Euro, on these pairs, the GBP USD Euro USD and SP500. Now, this week, I'm going to be doing daily trade analysis setup. So get ready. And if you're in the trading lab, expect setup to come in this week. All right, guys, that is all I can share with you today on week 22. I hope you're going to enjoy trading. All right, bye for now. Bye for now.